Hi guys, Relive here. I have the same Pokemon box here, and today one thing is special. You know I explained this already if you see my last video. Now let's see what is new in this. This is the gold cards that I showed you, but now we are not going to see the gold cards. I have the rarest card, Pokemon Black card. I got it from one of my friend. It's the original card. And like this also, in the last video I told there are 4 golden cards with 1 black card. Hi guys, right now see over here. Now we are going to play this and show for you. Okay. Now first of all let's take half because there is 97 cards on this. Half let's take. And let's turn all the cards to the other side. Okay, right now it's done. Now let's shuffle it. And decide what I'm going to next. We play this by the numbers. Now we are going to show. Like now, I am putting this. My brother is putting like this. And now I am opening. It's 320. And he is 140. The card comes back to me. Both of it. One of his card also come to me. But he put. Okay. Okay. Now put your first card. Open your card. 330. Keep your card. But another thing in this, you can't put the same card twice. More than thrice you can't put it. Only thrice. Open it. How much is it? 220. 200. You got it. Open your card. 320. 320. That goes to the middle. Open your card. 330. Wow. Open your cards. 20. Thank you. Now we showed we play this by the numbers like 220, 330. The Rushibu VMAX 330. See, by the numbers. just like that really we play. Like I am putting 330 and it's putting 230, but you can't tell your cards, show your cards to others. And it's 330, 320 and I get the card. Both of one of his cards what he put also I take it. Okay, and thanks for watching guys and supporting our YouTube channel and making our YouTube channel go until 100 subscribers. Subscribe and like.